Here are the key features of the mono PERC 440 to 450W 144 half-cut cells solar module series, manufactured by Yuhuan Sunpro Power. Highly powerful, up to 450 watts peak, the product is a top performer. Latest high-efficiency technologies such as PERC and half cells provide excellent conversion efficiency of up to 20.37%. Combination of power and efficiency makes these a perfect solution for all types of photovoltaic projects, from small rooftop installations to large solar parks, allowing for lower balance of system costs, minimization of installation area, and a higher yield per square metre. Instead of a standard design with 72 cells in these, we applied an innovative solution. By cutting the cells in half by a laser, we receive 144 split cells. Since each split cell has half the amount of a standard cell's current, this results in reduced power losses and improved efficiency. Half-cut cells also have a higher tolerance to shade compared to the conventional cells. Typically, cells in a standard panel are connected in 3 rows. Shading of a single cell might put the whole row out of action, thus affecting 1/3 of the total power output. On the other hand, split cell panels have twice the rows. Therefore, shading of one cell affects only 1/6 of total power output. Passivated emitter rear contact technology, called PERC for short, brings further benefits. PERC cells have an additional dielectric passivation layer at the back of the cells, which contributes to the increase of efficiency by reducing electron recombination, increasing the cell's abilities to capture sunlight and reflecting unproductive wavelengths of light. Durable components, an IP68 rated junction box, anodized aluminium frame, tempered front glass with anti-reflection coating, provide reliable protection from elements. These can withstand snow loads of up to 5,400 Pascal and wind loads of up to 2,400 Pascal. To guarantee operational reliability and long service life, we thoroughly tested the product with a range of industry standard tests, such as TUV IEC 62716 ammonia corrosion test, TUV PPP 58042B test for potential induced degradation resistance, TUV IEC 61701 salt mist corrosion test, 8,000 Pascal mechanical load test, and so on. In warranty terms, we offer 12 years product warranty and linear performance warranty for 12 and 25 years of 90.7% and 80.2% of power output respectively. Standard packing configuration for these is 54 to 58 modules per pallet, with 270 pieces in a 20-foot general purpose container and 638 modules in a 40-foot high cube container. For smaller quantities, a special package can be ordered with 30 pieces per pallet. For European customers, we can provide fast delivery from our warehouses in Poland and the Netherlands. Our fast and professional customer support services are at your disposal, including customer hotline, logistics support, after-sale service, and technical support, including system design. Industry-leading automated production lines with advanced machines, experienced research and development department, thorough quality control, and a dedicated customer support team allows us to provide high quality and cost-effective solutions for our customers.